GOT Robotic Kit. A drone, a boat, or a Boston Dynamics robotic dog, you got it. Lets you create a range of robots, ensuring you're never bored. It's an advanced system. The robots sync with chat and can be tweaked with visual or Python programming. Want to orchestrate a techno ballet? No sweat, the robots can coordinate. The starting model is priced at $349. Saramonic Blink Me Radio System. The name of the Chinese company Saramonic sounds similar to Panasonic and excels in making audio equipment. Let's check out their Blink Me radio system. Compatible with DSLR cameras, laptops, smartphones, and more. It's notable for its touchscreens on both transmitters and receivers. The transmitters last up to 8 hours on one charge, while the receiver goes a full day. Interestingly, the receiver can recharge the transmitters. Plus, you can display volume, clock, music buttons, and more on them. A set of a receiver and 2 transmitters comes at $278. Ergo Red multifunctional device. The folks behind Ergo Red are doing great. They aimed for a $2,000 goal on Kickstarter and ended up raising over $95,000. Backers were drawn to Ergo Red's unique features. This device serves as a neck heater, a fan, a light, a speaker, and a wireless microphone. It can heat up to 60 degrees and you can adjust the brightness and color temperature of the light. With a full battery, Ergo Red can last up to 32 hours. It's currently available for $59. F-Ray M20C Lite. At just 200 grams and pocket-sized, the F-Ray M20C Lite packs a punch comparable to larger devices. It's a handy tool for photo shoots or parties with a peak power of 20 WS. It lasts for 40 minutes and lets you adjust color temperature and backlighting right from your smartphone. Experiment with shades, diffusers, and more for customized lighting. The F-Ray M20C is priced at $169. Plasma Lamp Puzzle. This puzzle's pretty awesome. It gathered over $61,000 on Kickstarter. Made up of 627 metal and glass pieces, they come together to create a glowing, high-tech spider. Some of the joints can move, and the plasma lamp lights up in a spectacular way. Just keep in mind, putting it together will take you around 6 hours. The puzzle is priced at $79. Ruckus Just Play FX DJ Console. Meet Ruckus Just Play FX ADJ Console at your fingertips. With various moves, you can mix 80 sound effects and 120 tracks. It comes preloaded, but you can also add your own sounds and songs. There's an official app to tweak your recorded music and share it. And when you're not DJing, it doubles as a video game controller. The Ruckus Just Play FX is priced at $57. Sunos Infrared Heater. Flip the switch, and in just 3 seconds, the Sunos heater hits 200 degrees. Its creator spent years perfecting a special heating film. This infrared heater is quieter than oil heaters and won't dry out the air. Weighing in at a modest 3.2 kg, it's not ideal for outdoor use. A gust of wind could topple it. Control options include a touch panel, app, remote control, or even voice commands via Amazon Alexa. You can grab the Sunos heater for $229. Metal crossbow. The seller calls this crossbow a metal work of art, despite its resemblance to a child's toy. It fires not only 2G mini arrows, but also 4M diameter steel balls. The trigger design got an update, making it more enjoyable to shoot and easier to reload. It includes 50 mini arrows and 2 spare crossbow strings, all for around $130. Rubber band gun. This gun has 6 rubber band shots with a range of about 6 meters, fitting easily into your pocket. While the seller suggests it's great for kids, adults might enjoy some office fun with it too. The gun, along with 100 rubber bands, is priced at $15. Next table. Apparently, some folks can't get enough screens in their life, or else the $900 Next table wouldn't exist. It comfortably seats up to 6 people and features a touchscreen with 4K support and dual stereo speakers for immersive video and audio playback. With 8 GB of RAM included and 128 GB of built-in memory, you can build a solid library of movies and music. Furthermore, Next table can be rotated and connected to a game console through its USB and HDMI connectors. Nap pillow. Is your neighbor making holes in the walls again? Having trouble sleeping on a plane, train, or in a car with your head all over the place? After a long computer session, does your neck just want to break? Well, meet Nap Pillow, a combination of noise-canceling earmuffs and a neck pillow. Slip it on, and suddenly, the world gets 35 dB quieter. Plus, your neck gets a cozy upgrade. Nap Pillow is priced at $49, and they also throw in a sleep mask for an extra $25. Back in the 1960s, Edwin Van Aar, Beck's grandfather, was into making mechanical birds. Edwin kept it going and came up with X-Fly. Weighing just 12 grams, this drone not only stays airborne for 10 to 12 minutes on a full battery, but can also be guided using a smartphone. The wing design received input from the French military, who favored a compact drone capable of flying around 100 meters. You can grab the X-Fly complete with battery and charger for $86. Conchi Pro Telescope. Conchi Pro is more than a telescope, according to its creators. It allows recording 4K videos that you can easily share via Wi-Fi or a wired connection. You can connect your smartphone to edit the footage, and it doubles as a photo or video camera with time-lapse and pano modes. The device offers a 10x optical and digital zoom, magnifying up to 2.3 times. All of this comes at a price of $169. Smoke machine. Now, we wonder why the KIVI Pro guys didn't team up with the Smokes folks. This smoke machine works wonders for any shoot, filling up around 20 cubic meters with smoke in just a minute. A full charge lasts for a solid 25 minutes of non-stop action. It's good for indoor shoots since it won't trigger fire alarms. Plus, you get a remote control in the kit to operate the device. It can be yours for $18.